everybody, it's Lori at Pizazz Studios. I hope everybody's doing very well. I have some colors here in front of me that are all blues and greens today, and I'm gonna do a ceramic tile with the bloom technique. I'm just gonna get started because I've been pouring, and I decided I would do a video for you with these colors and see how it comes out. I'm gonna use white house paint that I have mixed with my GAC 800 from Golden, and I'm going to use a black cell activator today, all mixed up and ready to go. I leave all the colors that I use down in the description box for you so that you can reference those if you'd like. But I've been getting a lot of comments about my great color choices, so I thought I would do this one for you and see what you think of these. I think these are going to look pretty together. I have a couple of the primary elements. If you're new here to my channel, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and by the end of it, if you have enjoyed it, if you want to subscribe to the channel, I'd greatly appreciate that. It does help me out on YouTube. And if you could hit the like button as well if you enjoyed the video, that helps me out as well. Finished laying that down there. I'm gonna spin it real quick. Just trying to even it out. All right, this looks pretty good. I'm gonna take just a little bit of white, put it in the center here. So today we've got Amsterdam's turquoise blue. I'm gonna put this down first. The next one I have is Primary Elements Guatemalan green. This is a really pretty color. I like this. These primary elements have a lot of shimmer to them. If you haven't used them yet, you might want to try them. They're from Color Art. You can buy them right on their website, colorart.com. This is cerulean blue. I believe this is Artist Loft paint. Artist Loft is a brand that you get at Michael's. It's the Michael's brand. This is another primary element. This is called Kiwi. Very pretty. Lay this down here. So let me know what you think of this afterwards. Let me know if you liked it or not. I'll let you know if I like it or not. We shall see. Funny though, looks like there's like a little spot right there. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know why. Almost like a little bare spot. It's just odd. I don't know where that just came from or if I missed that earlier. I don't know. But I'm just noticing it now. And my paint was running off that way, so I tried to recenter it by just lifting up my spinner. I try to keep it centered if you can. This is phthalo green. This is my last color. This is from Liquitex Basics. Right now I have some air bubbles I'd like to see go away, so we will take a toothpick and just pop these little guys real quick. Much better. I'm gonna tilt this again for a second. All set now. I have my black cell activator. I'm gonna lay this down. I'm gonna blow it out so you'll have to part in my head for a moment. All right, here we go. Ugh, I didn't put down enough cell activator. Oh well, that's all right. See what we get. Sometimes that sort of happens. It all kind of went this way and then I got nothing that way. But we'll see. Hey, you never know. It still might be pretty. Let's see if we can get this to come back to the middle. These cells here are really pretty. Oh, well, I gotta tell you though, I'm disappointed. I should have added more, but I didn't want to add too much, so I was sort of trying to find the happy medium. Yeah, you know what? There's just not much going on here. I'm not liking this. I don't like it. Sorry to say, don't like it. All right, you know what this is gonna do? It's gonna go bye-bye. Scraping this one. I'm gonna start over. So that's how that goes. If you don't like it, start over. That simple. These colors are going to look really pretty together if I can get my act together and put down enough cell activator. It's all good. All right, here we go. I'm gonna spin this real quick, level everything out. There we go. I'm gonna switch the order of these just because I just decided I wanted to. I'm gonna put the cerulean blue down first instead of the turquoise blue. This one, the primary elements, Guatemalan green. Now I'll put down the turquoise blue. And then I'm gonna do kiwi. Alrighty, that's good. And then last but not least, I've got a little phthalo green. Put that on top here, and then I'm gonna add my cell activator and blow it out. Add a little bit more this time. All right, time for cell activator. Excuse my head, please, and thank you. Here we go. Well, that's certainly much better than the last one. I'll give it that. I'm gonna wait for the center to come back in. I think I just got paint on my face. I was scratching. I think I got paint on my cheek. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in here and give us a close-up of what's going on down there. Lots of pretty cells. Very pretty, the blue and the green together, and it's very iridescent. Sometimes I wish these recordings would pick that up a little more because it's a shame they don't. All that sparkle, so pretty. There's some good things happening that making me happy. All right, let me zoom back out here and we'll go down and spin it. And add a little bit of white to my corners just because I want this to make sure it stretches all the way out for me. Let's give it a spin. Wow, really interesting. This is super pretty, but I don't get why these two corners are doing what they're doing. This is just weird, but whatever. It's coming out nice. Let's go with the flow. It's meant to be. It's coming out gorgeous. I'm actually liking it a lot. The shimmer is amazing. Okay. Well, I do like this. I like the colors a lot. It's pretty. What do you guys think? You like these colors? I'll give you a close-up. I'll take the phone down and show you. Zoom in here first. Wish you could see all the iridescence and the shimmer that it has to it. All right. Okay, so I took my phone off the holder, bringing it down off the spinner as well, so we could get you a nice close-up. Look at this. Pretty. I like these little tiny cells and the big cells together. I think that's a really neat effect. I like that a lot. So there's a lot of shimmer to this, but I'm not sure my lighting's picking it all up for you. Probably seeing some of it. Sometimes it's hard to tell in these recordings. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to. Let me know what you think of this one. I think it's really pretty. So I'll see you again real soon on the next video. As always, have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me. Bye.